Hello everyone, Kevin Hustek here, Director of Technology for Warren Woods Public Schools, welcoming you back to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. On this week's episode, we're going to look at the Quick Poll tool that's available in Outlook. Quick Poll is something that I use when trying to schedule meetings with my colleagues to figure out what the most common availability is. There's a lot of third-party tools that do the same thing, but I want to show you how you can use something that's built into Outlook. Let's begin. So let me show you an example of how I use the Quick Poll tool. Let's say I'm trying to schedule a meeting with the tech staff to go over a project. In the past, maybe I would send them an email and I'd say, here's the dates and times I'm available, let me know when you're available, and we could go back and forth trying to figure out what will work best for us. Or maybe I use a third-party tool like Doodle, and then I go to Doodle and I create a list of dates and times that I'm available, and then I put that back in the email and you can go back and forth that way. There's a ton of different great ways to accomplish the same thing, but I really like Quick Poll because it's built into Outlook. I don't have to go anywhere else, and it all stays within one email. So I created this email to go to Tony and John for this example. I'm going to go to the three dots here and go to Poll. I've already pre-filled all of this stuff out so that for the purpose of this recording, it goes quick. So I just put a quick title, the days that I'm available. I can let them select multiple options, insert the poll. And then what it will do is it will put it into this email and I can click send. So when you insert quick polls and you send the email, you'll notice that you also get a copy of it. That's so you can quickly go in and see what the results are to figure out what you're trying to figure out with the quick poll. Now, no one's responded to this because I just sent it out, but earlier I sent out something similar so that I'd have data to show you in this recording. So I sent out a similar email, and it looks like the best time for my team to meet would be next Thursday at 11:30 in the morning. So now I can schedule that meeting. Now, you may use quick polls for any variation of reasons, and maybe you need to be able to look at the data and actually see who responded and selected what. As the person who set up the quick poll, you can easily do this by going to Microsoft Forms. You go to the app launcher. I used to call it the Rubik's Cube or the waffle, and you go down to Forms, and when you open up Forms, you can see all of the different forms that you've created, or quick polls. Here's the Data Center Migration Project meeting coordination I set up, and I can go into Responses, and I can view the results and see John selected this day, and I can go through the drop-down list. I can also open it in Excel. I don't know for quick polls how often I would need to look at this data, but it is available, so I thought I'd show you. I hope you find this useful, and thank you for watching Tech Tip Tuesday.